Excellencies, we meet today to renew and to strengthen the international community's commitment to supporting the Syrian people, the neighbouring countries, and the communities most affected by the conflict. This is more critical, more urgent in the face of the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. The ILO's estimates that working hours in the Arab states region suffered a 9% loss in 2020 relative to the last quarter of 2019. Workers in informal employment and those lacking social security coverage have been amongst the hardest hit in terms of job and of income losses. The challenges facing workers in the informal economy, the lack of protection and resilience, are even starker than before. Informality and precarity are more often than not the plight of young workers and women, and especially of refugees. In this context, the ILO focuses on promoting the transition to sustainable livelihoods for refugees and for host communities alike. Since 2016, we have supported equal access of host communities and refugees to formal labour markets, as well as access of vulnerable workers and job seekers to the acquisition of soft skills. The programmes implemented have resulted in the creation of over 1.5 million working days for both communities in the region, 20% of whom were women. We have also facilitated more than 30,500 job placements, including placements with access to national security protection systems, and we have supported the development of some 1,800 small businesses as a source of decent jobs across the region. But today we are all compelled to intensify our efforts so as to find long-term solutions to creating resilience and to promoting peace. Decent work opportunities and decent livelihoods are central to this endeavour and can help link the humanitarian and developmental dimensions of crisis response. And this means a strong push to open up greater opportunities for formal employment, including through systematic public works as part of national programmes and using digital labour platforms that provide businesses with wider markets and workers with more decent jobs. And this must be backed by more robust social protection measures and systems. Host communities and refugees need our solidarity and our action so as to support a human-centred recovery and a future with decent jobs for the peoples of Syria and of its neighbours. I hope that we will all rise together to this challenge.